All right, today I'm going to show you how to grind coffee. Right here, I have a Krups coffee grinder that I'm going to be using to grind coffee. And I have my whole beans, just black, blickety black coffee beans. All right, this is medium whole, American free, all American black rifle coffee. All right, so what I'm going to do is, first thing I'm going to do is, with the Krups, I'm going to plug this in. So I have that in there. Next, I'm going to put my coffee grounds, all black rifle coffee, liquid black. Gonna pour it inside of just a little bit in there. Then I'm going to take the top of the Krups and then press down on this. When I do so, you can pulse it, you can hold it down, feel heat like this. It grinds the coffee. And when I'm done, I'll just go ahead and take this, pick it up. And that is how you use a coffee grinder to grind coffee. You're done with this Krups coffee maker. You just simply go like this, tap it a little bit, open it, and you have your coffee ready to be made. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.